Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tenorshare channel. Today, I will teach you a trick, how to use Tenorshare PDNob to quickly convert PDF to various common formats, such as Excel, PPT, EPUB, and even more, to easily improve your work efficiency. Let's get started. First, open Tenorshare PDNob and click Open PDF in the upper left corner to import the PDF file you need to convert. After importing, you can see that there are many function areas on the top. We click the Convert option. In the menu below, you can see that you can convert PDF to various formats you want, such as Word, Excel, PPT, and more. Choose a format you want. Here, we choose PPT, and then in the Export settings, select the required page number. Similarly, you can also select other file formats in the lower left corner. Finally, select the location of the file output. Click Convert. After the conversion is completed, the computer will automatically pop up the file location. Open it, and you can see that each page has been exported as an independent high-definition picture. It's that simple. PDNob also supports conversion of various formats and is your one-stop solution for editing and processing documents. If you are interested, you can click the link below the video to download it for free. Don't forget to like, follow, and tell me your experience in the comments section. See you next time.